Another beautiful day on Rainy Lake. Virtually no wind. This is the 12th fish today. They've been pretty fussy. Been over a bunch, but most of the time you had to fish them like you were ice fishing them. Just barely wiggle it up and down, straight down. This one at least bit on the cast, so maybe they're not quite as fussy now. I got a ribster on here today, Lunker City, with a light jig head. It's only 10 feet here. Boy, you got it right through the nose hole. There we go. There's today's bait. 1/8 ounce jig head and a ribster. Well, this day is turning out to be really good. This is number 43 I've got on here. And decent. Yeah, maybe 2. They chewed my tail of my ribster, or the head of it got all too wrecked and it wouldn't stay on the hook. So I cut about a 1/2 inch off, and cut about a 1/2 inch off. Well, not my camera, and re-glued it with Pro Soft Bait glue. So it's only this big now. It was about a 1/2 inch bigger. I'm going to leave the camera on. I think I've been getting one every single cast here for like 20 fish in a row. So we'll see if I jinx myself or not by saying that. I throw it out about 24, 25 feet. There's actually a fish on the bottom right under the boat here. But I'm going to try to take a picture while this jig is sinking. I gotta do that. Still sinking. Still sinking. I only have 1/8 ounce on me. Huh. Yep. With a cast in a 1/2 hour, I don't get a bite. Oh, there we go. That's about 22 in a row or something like that in this spot. So this is number 44 for the day. We'll net this one, let her go. Try for 45. Well, my deep water bite fizzled out after 54 fish, so I came into a shallow bay, and if I could get around the motor without losing the fish. Well, it is acting like a northern. Let's see here. What we got? Yeah, blue northern. Oh well, better than nothing. Well, I got something good on my little bass fluke. It's acting like a big walleye. Hope we get a look at him. Well, now it ain't acting like a walleye. Now it's acting like pike. It's pretty fast to run. I almost got a look. Well, there it is. It's decent. Oh, got me. Decent pike. I don't have a leader on this one, but it's just a breaks off. Ain't no big deal. Going around the boat. That's a whole lot better than that little dink I caught before. Uh-oh, now he's got where I don't want it. Let's see if I remember how to grab these slimers without getting chewed up. There we go. Can't believe he didn't bite me off. Because I don't see my jig. It's in there somewhere. That's about a 6-7 pounder maybe. Nice fish.